Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Kate and Sophia. I'm Sophia and we're back with another video. So as you can tell by the video, I will be showing you guys a DIY on how to make lip gloss. It's my pretty much first time making this. I made some yesterday. I'm going to show you guys a little, yeah. I made these yesterday and now I'm going to show you guys little tips and ways on how to make this. So I'll show you guys ingredients first. So you will need coconut oil, jojoba oil. I know it's pronounced like jojoba oil or whatever like that, but I can't say that, so just yeah. I will leave all the things that I bought in the description below so you guys can check it out. Mostly everything I got was from Amazon. And then I have these tubes down here. And I also bought glitter, which is cosmetic grade A, which is really not bad for your skin. And then I got some mica powder in the shade of blush pink. And this lasts pretty long because it's very pigmented and yeah. And then I got some just regular food coloring from Target. And then these syringes I got from Amazon, and then I cut off pipettes and they put it on the front of the tip. I will show you guys how to do that later on in the video. And then I just have some gloves, a few mixing bowls to put them in, because I don't want the colors to like mix, I guess. Some tissue paper or napkin. And then the flavoring oil. I have peppermint, lemon, orange, cherry, watermelon. I love the color of watermelon. Like, it makes it look so pretty. I have a strawberry, another strawberry, cotton candy, vanilla butternut, peach mango, and marshmallow, and coconut. So I'm gonna like move this to the side. Oh, and you also need Versagel, which is lip gloss base, I guess you can call it. And it's really hydrating for your lip. So I got this Versagel from TKB Trading, and it is the 5.5 ounce. Well, I got it from Amazon, but it was from the TKB Trading website. And it made me about like 17-ish tubes. I still have a little bit left from that pack, but I will be using this today and mixing it to that. And I'll show you guys how to mix it and all that stuff. And then these were the pipettes I was talking about. I bought the 100 one, and I'm going to show you guys how I cut them up and all of that. So yeah, I'm going to put that over there because I won't be using that until later on. Okay, so first thing I'm going to put on my gloves so everything is sanitary and clean. Okay, so first I'm going to take the Versagel. I'm going to open it up. And then I'm not gonna put a lot because I don't know. I just want to make one tube for each flavoring, I guess. So I'm just gonna squeeze about that much. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Hold up. About this much. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah. Then I'm gonna take a spoon. I'm gonna wipe all the excess off. So first, I'm going to take some coconut oil. Not a lot because you don't want it to be a lip oil, but just enough because the Versagel is really thick. So I'm just going to take like about half of this cup, half of the lid, I guess. You can jojoba oil. Probably going to use half of the lid too. Okay, and then you take your spoon and then you mix up all the ingredients. Okay, after you're done mixing it up, and the consistency should be a little bit runny, but not really. Like, it's like kind of like that. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, then I'm gonna get the strawberry flavoring. It's so cute. It is so tiny. But then I'm gonna take my little dropper, clean it in water first, because I made a few lip glosses before and I don't want the flavoring from that oil to go to my next flavoring. Okay, so I'm gonna drop in about 6 drops first. 1, 2, then I close it. And then I'm gonna mix it in. This flavoring has a little bit of a tint to it already, So it already makes the lip gloss already kind of pink. So as you can tell, it is a little bit pink, but it won't really show. Okay, now I'm gonna add in some of my red food coloring. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at the color. Okay, now I'm gonna take my syringe and I'm gonna clean it out first. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Versagel that I already mixed in from yesterday. Put it in here. I'm gonna get a little bit more just to like clean out the pipe and so that the flavoring doesn't mix in with the other. And I'm just gonna pour it into the side of this. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop this in here. This is such a nice color. I don't know if you can tell, but it's so pretty. So now I'm gonna take this and close, maybe like, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna tip it over so that the gloss falls out the other way. There will be some air bubbles, that's just how it's gonna be. Okay, so now it's ready. So I'm gonna take a little tube and then remember that you have to go from side to side, because if you stay on one side, it's not gonna like look nice. Yay, made enough perfectly. So this is the color. Now you put the stopper on top. I'm gonna take a tissue napkin to clean out the excess of it. And then I'm gonna use one of the lids and close them up. Ta-da! So now I'm gonna be making a clear peppermint one. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit more of the Versagel. I will be making 2 tubes this time, just to save some time, I guess. So 1, 2, 1, 2. I think that's how I'm gonna measure from now on. 2 squeeze, back and forth. Hopefully that works. I don't know, maybe. Okay, I just wiped down my spoon. It's very clean now. And then I'm just gonna mix the Versagel by itself first. I will be adding 1 cup of each now, or 1 lid of each. So 1 lid of coconut oil and 1 lid of jojoba oil. Mix it until it's smooth and it doesn't clump up. Like when you pick up the spoon like this, it goes down like smoothly. It's still a little bit clumpy right now. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking my peppermint oil and putting some drops in there. I'm gonna clean the dropper in my water. Okay. So I'm gonna take about, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll start out with 6 and then add more once I need to. So I think this is a good consistency now. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little pipette, another syringe, and pull it off. And then I'm gonna get a pair of scissors. Okay, I got my scissors. Okay, then I'm gonna cut right at this part of it. Right here, and then at this tip, just like this much off. Ooh, so it flew somewhere. And then after that, you will put this part, and then you just gotta like pull all the way. I'm gonna put my lip gloss base into here, or lip gloss mixture. Okay, now I'm gonna put this. Okay. Go like this and like this, and then here you go. You have your, ooh. Okay. Then you're gonna go put it in here. And you go squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, and then now I'm gonna put in little stoppers. Okay, get another tissue, clean the top. Okay. And then at the end, I will wash these. But right now, just gonna top them off. Now I'm gonna be making a pink watermelon glitter. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this mica powder. Oh my god. Okay. You really do not need a lot of this. Like, a little can go like a long way. But you use about this much. I mean, if I need more, I can always add more, but for now, I think this is good. Okay. So. Oh, and I also need to put some watermelon flavoring. This is the watermelon flavoring. 5, 6, okay, maybe 6. So this is the color. So pretty. The watermelon is, oh my god, the smell is amazing. Then I will get the pipette that I used for mica powder only. Or, yeah, because it already has that tint already. Oh my god. And then I will clean it out with a little bit of the Versatile. Just squeeze that out. So now, I will take this and put it through here. Okay. Then now I will put it in my tube. I'm going to show you guys up close on what it looks like. Okay, and then now I will push in the rest. Okay. Okay, and this is the final one for the pink watermelon with glitter. Okay, now I'm going to make a batch of cherry. So I made about 1 spoon now, 2 spoons. I think 2 spoons would be good enough. Cherry. Here is my cherry. I think it'll turn the thing really red, and I think it would be like a really nice color. Here's my droplet. The cherry one has a very strong flavor, so I don't think I would have to put a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I mixed it and it's now at my desired color and liquidiness, or yeah. So it is. And now I will put it through here. And this is what it looks like. Okay, hold it upside down for it not to come out. Okay, there you go. I made about this much. I'm in love with this color, honestly. Okay, so 1. These little stoppers on. I'm gonna wipe it. Put my lids on. So these are my final ones for cherry. I love the color so much. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making these lip glosses and showing you guys how to make them. I will put in the description box below all the things that I bought. And if you guys haven't done so yet, you guys should leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye!